welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing good today. So finally I've come up with a gym clothing haul video. I know कि आप लोग जो भी मुझे Instagram पे फॉलो करते हो कई बार आप लोग पूछते हो, मैं ये नहीं बोलूँगी सब, लेकिन कई बार आप लोग पूछते हो कि मैं अपने जिम के कपड़े कहाँ से लेती हूँ. So इस बार मैंने कुछ चीज़ें ऑर्डर की. So I was like why not let's film a gym haul video. And इनमें से कुछ कपड़े तो मैं रखने वाली हूँ और जो मुझे नहीं अच्छे लगेंगे मैं वो रिटर्न करूँगी. So सब कुछ नया है जो भी मैंने लिया है. And before starting, I would like to tell you guys, I am so much into fitness. If you guys don't know me, I'm so much into fitness. I go to the gym regularly. अगर मेरा बस चले तो मैं 7 के 7 दिन जिम जाऊँ, but एक दिन मुझे रेस्ट लेना पड़ता है. And every day I spend like 2 to 2.5 hours in the gym. And sometimes, not sometimes, I would say every day I don't even feel like coming back to the home because gym is basically my second home. So I love working out. I love staying there. And other than that, when I'm into fitness, I also like to get dressed up, like, what you say, to look good. And if I'm looking good, it makes me, more, it gives me a kind of a positive vibe जब भी मैं कोई वर्कआउट कर रही हूँ या कुछ भी. So this is basically me. I have to look good whenever I'm working out. Now there are people who feel more comfortable in track pants and loose t-shirts. I'm definitely not kind of that person. I always like to have like a nice fitted clothes, but I'm also into loose t-shirts, so I'll also like to wear loose t-shirts, but मुझे उसके साथ tights चाहिए होते हैं साथ में पहनने के लिए. Like I can't wear like a loose pajama और उसके ऊपर loose t-shirt, but that's totally on to you guys. But when it comes to me, I like to wear fitted clothes. और अगर मैंने loose t-shirt पहना है, which is most of the time from my brother's wardrobe, so whatever he discards, अगर कोई भी loose t-shirt होती है तो उसको मैं सबसे पहले रख लेती हूँ कि भाई ठीक है, इसको मैं अपने टाइट्स के साथ पहन लूँगी जिम में, just tuck in करके अच्छे से. So yeah, so without wasting your time, let's get started and let me show you guys what are the few things that I bought. And मैंने अभी तक इनको पहन के भी नहीं देखा है, so जो भी होगा इस वीडियो में it's gonna be the first impression whether I like it, size क्या है क्या नहीं है. So let's begin. Now first comes this set which is in the coffee color, or it comes with a crop top जो एक side से it has like these kind of a Maggie straps I would call it, और एक type से थोड़ा जो strap है वो wide है. So ये completely off shoulder नहीं है, but again it's kind of a little trendy. और इसके साथ जो हमारा जो tights आती हैं वो है ये जो कि है high waisted and it is very stretchable. And I think इसके पीछे जो है ये I think booty को शेप देने के लिए है. सो आई यूजुअली लाइक आई वोंट से कि मैं इनको नहीं पहनती हूँ, मैं पहन लेती हूँ, बट मैं हर दिन ऐसे टाइट्स जो होते हैं पहनना प्रेफर नहीं करती हूँ. बट अगेन इट्स टोटली ऑन टू यू. इफ़ यू वुड लाइक यू कैन गो अहेड एंड वेयर देम, बट मुझे ऐसे डेली पहनना पसंद नहीं है. इसका कलर मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा. और रही बात साइज़ की तो आई वुड से मुझे ऐसे लगा कि पहन के अच्छा लग रहा था, लेकिन ये थोड़ा सा मुझे टाइट फील हुआ. सो आई फील कि इसका एक साइज़ बड़ा मंगा सकती हूँ मैं. कलर अच्छा लग रहा था तो एक साइज़ बड़ा मंगा के आई थिंक आई कैन कीप इट. आई रियली लाइक द कलर बिकॉज क्योंकि कलर इसका बहुत ही सटल सा है, बहुत ज़्यादा पॉप नहीं कर रहा है. एंड आई थिंक मेरे पे ये कलर भी बहुत अच्छे से जा रहा है. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट कम्स अप this color which is in the color brown, and it's kind of like a chocolatey brown color, so very beautiful color. And it has this crop top, but it is like one sided. I would say it's an off shoulder top. If you are like a crop top, if you're comfortable to wear in the gym, then only you can wear it. I thought I would be comfortable, but after wearing I felt like I won't be comfortable wearing such type of crop tops in the gym because I am so much into heavy lifting and I don't think so I'll feel comfortable ऐसे टॉप्स को पहनने पे. अच्छी बात ये थी इसकी कि ये भी पैडेड स्पोर्ट्स ब्रा के साथ आता है. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ वर्कआउट सेट एंड इट ऑल्सो हैज़ दीज लेगिंग्स विच इज़ हाई वेस्ट, हाईली स्ट्रेचेबल. अगेन आई फेल्ट लाइक इट वॉज फिटिंग मी नाइस, बट अगर मुझे ये रखना है तो मुझे इसका एक बड़ा साइज़ मंगवाना पड़ेगा क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़्यादा फिटेड था. एंड it's okay, like I like wearing fitted clothes, but again it should be breathable. It shouldn't be like I'm like ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. It should be a little breathable that when I'm working out I can flex my body, I can move my arms and my legs, I can move around flexible होके पूरा comfortable होके. तो ये अच्छा आया मुझे, लेकिन again मुझे अगर इसको रखना होगा जो कि मुझे लग रहा है मैं नहीं रखूँगी बिकॉज ऑफ द ऑफ शोल्डर थिंग. आई रियली वॉन्टेड टू ट्राई इट आउट बट आई थिंक इट्स नॉट माई थिंग स्पेशली फॉर द जिम. बाहर मैं पहनती हूँ बट जिम में आई डोंट थिंक सो आई एम स्टिल कंफर्टेबल ऐसे पहनने के लिए. बट आई रियली लाइक द कलर वॉज रियली रियली नाइस एंड इट्स स्ट्रेचेबल. Now next one is this white crop top workout set which also comes with a crop top and a leggings, pair of leggings. I would say I am not showing the video of wearing this one because this was kind of a see-through. मुझे stuff देख के तो ऐसा लग रहा था कि see-through नहीं होगा लेकिन पहनने के बाद मुझे ऐसा लगा कि ये see-through था. So definitely big no, but again if I want to buy this set I can definitely buy in a different color. But again इसका जो neck है वो बहुत ज़्यादा deep है. The good part is it also comes with a sports padded bras which already had pads in it. So if you guys like to wear something like this you can definitely buy tops, crop tops like this. But इसका गला बहुत ज़्यादा deep था and if you're doing like any of the shoulder leg workout I am not comfortable, sorry. So मैं ऐसे नहीं पहन सकती जिम में. So it's also a big no for me. But again, it is for someone who likes to wear such type of clothes. उनके लिए बहुत stretchable कपड़ा है इस तरीके का आप देख सकते हो. और ये भी high waisted leggings के साथ आता है. So yeah, like I was saying, I am not going to wear, something like this to the gym. So it's definitely big no for me again. And also for the color, it's not a comfortable color to wear in places like gym. So big no. Now next comes up another workout set which is this one. This is it's a gray color with a hint of a green color I would say, or a neon, kind of a neonish color, not a lemon but a green neon I would say. I really like the fit for this one and also it has a round neck which is kind of a turtleneck which is going till here. So really like the fit and I think size भी इसका सही आ गया है. और it also comes with a pair of leggings or tights I would say. So this is it. And it also has like a plain booty structure from the back, so it's not like kind of giving you a pump जैसे बाकी पहली वाली टाइट्स में था. So really like the fit and it also fits me really really well. और bottom में इसके it has these green kind of like the color का जो transition हो रहा है tights में. So really like this one and I think I'm gonna keep this one because first the size is good, second the color is good, it's very comfortable. I can after wearing this I can move around and I can just do my workout, I can jump, run, whatsoever in the gym. So I think I really like it and especially the neck is really really nice. Also it is not sleeveless, it has these like 2/3 or 3/4 I would say sleeves which is good for the days when you are not done waxing or something. So I think this is really really nice and I'm gonna keep this one. Then we have these biker shorts, the two which I wore. The first one was this one, which is in the color grayish, and I think ये camouflage जो होता है ना वैसा pattern है इसका. और इसका भी size मुझे अच्छा लगा. It's not too short, not too long. It's medium. You can also like pull them up, if you want थोड़ा सा short करने के लिए. It's really comfortable for my waist area. It's breathable. I can walk around wearing these, and it's very stretchable. Color is also really nice, and you guys can see it's very very stretchable. And from here also it's not like loose, it's like a biker short. So आपके thighs पे भी अच्छे से tuck in करके like stuck हो रहा है और बिल्कुल भी loose नहीं है. So it's really nice. So I think I'm gonna keep this one. It's really cute and the color is really nice. Now next one is this wine color shorts. I am still not sure about these ones because I felt like the fitting was good but from front the fitting was not that comfortable. So even if I'm wearing these I have to either wear like a a long maybe a t-shirt or something, but why to do an extra work, right? So either buy a correct size or something. I think this was the correct size but इसका shape ही ऐसा है जो मुझे नहीं comfortable लगा बिल्कुल भी. And बाकी booty area so it has these kind of lines if you can see, which is gonna give you a little pump. So if you're someone who's okay with doing a little extra work by wearing loose t-shirts ke sath ye, so you can keep it. I have to still think about it. So it's like 50-50. I may keep it and I may not keep it. I'm not sure, but the color is really nice. It's a very decent color and it's wine. Looks really good. Again, it's stretchable. It fits really well waist area say, but the only thing is like when I'm wearing it, it's not good. The fitting is not good from the front area. So that looks really bad. So let me think about it. So yeah, yes to this one. This one I still have to think about it. Now next comes up another workout pair, which is this black color ka off shoulder crop top. It is in the size medium. After wearing, I felt like this was slightly tight to me, so I think मुझे लग रहा है कि मुझे इसको वापस करना पड़ेगा. दूसरी चीज़ मुझे फिर बताऊंगी कि it has off shoulder kind of a thing एक side से. So one side it's like off shoulder, and on the other side it has like this kind of a strap. So I think I'm not going to keep it. As I mentioned, I'm not comfortable wearing such tops in the gym. और दूसरा इसका जो crop top है वो भी आप देख सकते हो बहुत short है. So I think I'm not going to keep this. I'm going to return this. Also ये discount में मुझे मिला था. So probably, I don't know. I'm not going to keep it even if it's on the discount. Also इसके साथ जो tights हैं वो भी high waisted थी. Size medium है, but again I felt like it was tight. So different brand का different चीज़ होती है. So probably that's why. So it is stretchable. It is not see-through because of the color. It is stretchable, but again I don't like it. I think the size की वजह से भी और इसके crop top की वजह से भी. Alright, so the second last thing which I wore was this, a sports bra, which was a very, I would say, fashionable sports bra, which has this like off-shoulder thing from make side say, but I would say, I can wear it underneath my tops, but again, it is kind of short. Maybe I'm gonna keep this because I really like the color and I wore it with my own tights which I have from the past. I really like those. I think those are from Nike, I'm not sure. So I wore these unke saath and I really like the fitting. Fitting was nice. So I think I'm gonna keep this. Also, this is very stretchable. The quality of this clothes is really nice. अगर ये off shoulder भी है ना तो तब भी इसकी जो दो straps आ रही है ना, it is holding the sports bra in the right position. So even if you're working out, it's not uncomfortable for you. Like जो दूसरे मैंने आपको इससे पहले दिखाया ना, वो पहन के मुझे ऐसे लगा कि मैं workout कर ही नहीं पाऊंगी. But इसके साथ मुझे वैसा नहीं लगा. This was very very comfortable. So I think I'm going to keep this one. Last but not the least is the one which I'm wearing right now. So this is basically a white color का sports bra जो अलग से इसके साथ आता है, and this is a jumpsuit, which has like kind of a holding, it has like these flexible straps. तो आप इसको अच्छे से hold कर सकते हो. आप जिम में भी हो तब भी पहन सकते हो. But I think इसको मैं पहन के जाऊँगी जिम, but इसको मैं जिम के बाहर like I can also wear it outside of gym as well. It's very fashionable, very trendy, and I can wear it anywhere I want. दूसरी बात इसका जो clothing है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा stretchable है, very comfortable, and it looks very fashionable. So I'm definitely going to keep it. और इसका जो आगे front और back का जो jumpsuit का neck position है ना, that is also really nice. And best thing about it is जो इसमें straps दे रखी हैं to hold the jumpsuit together. That is the best thing. I love it and it's very stretchable. So that's it guys, that was all about today's gym haul video. So there are some of the things which I'm going to be keeping, but most of them unfortunately I will be returning. किसी का size issue है, किसी का मुझे ऐसे लगा कि पहन के मैं comfortable नहीं रहूँगी, so probably I'm going to return some of the pieces. I think most of them, और कुछ मैं रखने वाली हूँ. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and please comment down below which one was your favorite pair of workout sets which I wore, और color बताना कौन सा अच्छा लग रहा है. Maybe अगर आप लोग के बोलने पे मैं ले लूँ, but let's think about it, क्योंकि जो off shoulder वाले थे वो तो मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि मैं खरीदने वाली हूँ. But just in case you guys like that on me, just do let me know, comment down below and let me know. Well, that was all about today's reaction video, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys super soon एक नए वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए take care, stay safe, bye.